Hello children, so I hope you all have completed exercise 1.1. Now we will go for next exercise. Before that we have to learn about international system of numbers. Okay. So in the previous exercise what I told about Indian system of numbers which we are following. Now there is international system also. In that slight difference is there between Indian system and international system. So today we will see that. Okay. So in Indian system how are you going to read the numbers? Read with me. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores. Okay. Now in international system how are you going to read that number? So here read with me ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Here comes 100,000s. Okay. So in Indian system we are calling lakhs. In international system we will call them as 100,000s. Okay. Now next is million. In place of 10 lakhs, international system we call it million. Next 10 millions, 100 millions. Understood? So up to 10,000 same. You are following the same system as it in Indian system. But after 10,000 in international system it changes. How it changes? In place of lakhs, 100,000. In place of 10 lakhs, millions. In place of crore, 10 millions. And in place of 10 crores, 100 millions. Next comes billions. Okay. So now I am taking one example. Okay. Suppose I am taking this example. Here. What is this? What I had given you? Here in ones place it is 1, tens place 9, hundreds place 8, thousands place 7, 10,000s place 6, 100,000s place 2, millions place 3, 10 millions 1, 100 millions 5. So in international system how are you going to read that number? Read with me. First you hear what I am saying. 513,267,891. I am once again repeating. 513,267,891. Understood? So how are you going to read in international system is in this way. Read once again. 513,267,891. Understood? So in this way you have to read in international system. Now how to put commas? How are you going to put commas? So here just I am taking one example. Suppose here. So up to 100 millions of numbers, here we will have 9 digits. Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many digits? 9 digits you will have. So here how to separate? I told about in Indian system that periods. In the same way here, this will be one period. Ones, tens, hundreds. This is called as ones period. Okay. Here 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. This will be thousands period. And next is million, 10 millions, 100 millions. This will be millions period. Okay. So in this way you have to separate using commas. First period will be ones, tens, hundreds. Next will be 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Next will be million, 10 million, 100 millions. So in this way you have to put commas. Now next how to compare numbers. Suppose in the same way you have to compare as you are comparing in Indian system. The same, if two numbers are given you have to just check both sides how many digits are there. Now how to write in words? Okay, how to write the given number in words. Suppose this example only we are taking. What I had given? 516,326,189. Okay. So how are you going to write? 516 millions. Next is 326 thousands. 326,189. 189. Okay, so in this way you have to write in words. Okay, means how to write the number name of the given number in this way. 516 millions 326,189.